We are a school that runs not only the CBSE program, but we also have one of the few schools in Gujarat that offer the International Baccalaureate program. And the program, both these programs lend themselves very well. In a way, in the CBSE program, a lot of the Math Buddy exercises, activities were mapped to the CBSE curriculum, but we found it also easy to be able to take the same content and actually use it in our IB classes, right from the lower grades right up to the secondary grades. So whilst it was felt initially that we may not be able to actually use it in the IB program, we thought actually a lot of the revision, a lot of the reinforcement of various problems in mathematics, of the activities that were provided, could be used and further developed through the units, through the program of inquiry in the primary section and through the interdisciplinary method in the secondary section. And that has come a long way in making mathematics also more relevant for our students.